Let's just open up this tape. Oh, this is some strong tape. And that. Alright. Probably have to take this. Let's see. Take this out. Let's see what we have in this bag here. Probably just all the cables. Yeah. Cables, stickers. Okay, let's look that up. After, right now I just want to flash this BIOS. And yeah, some stuff here. AMD drivers. I don't have the CD-ROM in this computer, so that's not gonna be anything. Some stickers and a manual, which I looked at online. Oh, it's pretty good packaging, huh? So how am I supposed to get this out of here? I guess I have to lift this up or something. I guess something like that, right? Okay. I don't think I need to put it on that. Oh, nice. Everything is taped up. Okay. Well, since that one doesn't want to come off easily. Alright, so this is the back of the motherboard. And the front of the motherboard here. Alright. So what I'm going to have to do is use this flash BIOS button to flash this BIOS. So that's one part. So let's just put this over to the side. Let's open up the power supply. How do you open? Let's see here. Just trying to open it up neatly. I don't know. It's just me. I just like when I'm opening things up to open them up neatly just to make sure you see what's in here. So, you know, I went with this brand because it had pretty good reviews on it. So, cable ties, instructions, and the power supply is over here. And these are the cables. Wow, this cable's a lot thicker than the ones I have now. All the cables. I already see that I'll have to be doing a lot of video editing on this because, you know, Seems actually pretty overwhelming now that I see all these cables in this boxes. So, alright. And the power supply. Let's get that out. What is this? I could just probably check it out in the manual, but let's see here. Alright. It's not bad. So I got the motherboard, PCI Express, 1 8-pin, 2 8-pin, 5 8-pins, 4 pins. Now I'm not, and I don't think I'll be probably doing any kind of SLI or anything with this, so I don't really care. This should just be just enough power for this one card, and it's a platinum, so hybrid mode. I guess the fan is gonna be off, but so let's just power this up with the motherboard and see if we can do the BIOS flash. So I already looked at the instructions from MSI. I downloaded the driver, renamed it, so it's ready to go. Wow, this cable is really thick compared to the other power supplies that I have in these other two computers. So we'll see. Let's see. Okay, assume that's in properly. Now that's there. Look at these cables here real quick. These are SATA. So these are the 6-pin. These are, so this is the motherboard cable, and then you have this one. I know that this goes in here. Oh. Alrighty then. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. This goes in the motherboard. These go into the power supply. Alright. What about that other power? PCI Express. And then we have this other CPU cable here. Pin PSU. PSU. PCI Express. SATA. Okay. So let's see here. We got this 8-pin. Well, I have two 8-pins there. Wow. Okay. CPU. PSU. CPU. PCI Express. PSU. PCI Express. PSU. PCI Express. PSU. CPU. Okay, so this is pretty good what SeaSonic did. Everything is like pretty much labeled, because my old motherboard only has one of these 8 pins on the top. Is it even 8-pin? I don't even remember, but that made it a lot easier connecting these. I'm not really too sure what this is for. Some kind of adapter maybe? Why would you use this? That makes no sense. guess maybe to protect this. I don't know. All right, so that goes into the motherboard. Let's see here. Okay, perfect. Everything is nice and labeled. Good. Perfect. Right. And open these up quickly. So it says here PSU, right? The notch is where it's gonna go like this. Plug that in, turn this on, and the fan should be spinning, it says. So, I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. So, the fan spinning with the tester, I had to press this hybrid mode button here. So, I guess basically when I turn it off, it's going to be on passive mode where it's only going to be using heatsink or something, or whatever temperature to turn on. So that's it. Let's turn that off. So we know that our PSU is working. Alright. And we know what this is for. So I guess they short the wire where, or jump the wire where the fan would turn on or something. PSU. Okay. PSU, right? So I guess, yeah, it's intuitive enough, I guess. Okay. Let's push that in here.